India, a beautiful country of the world. It is the seventh largest country in the world and also the second populous. It lies in Southern Asia. It is officially known as the Republic of India. The topic is States and Union Territories of India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India at present. They are Andhra Pradesh, having capital Hyderabad, Arunachal Pradesh with capital Itanagar, Assam with capital Dispur, Bihar with capital Patna, Chhattisgarh with capital Raipur, Goa with capital Panaji, Gujarat with capital Gandhinagar, Haryana with capital Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh with capital Simla, Jharkhand with capital Ranchi, Karnataka with capital Bengaluru, Kerala with capital Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh with capital Bhopal, Maharashtra with capital Mumbai, Manipur with capital Impal, Meghalaya with capital Shillong, Mizoram with capital Aizawl, Nagaland with capital Kohima, Odisha with capital Bhubaneswar, Punjab with capital Chandigarh, Rajasthan with capital Jaipur, Sikkim with capital Gangtok, Tamil Nadu with capital Chennai, Telangana with capital Hyderabad, Tripura with capital Agartala, Uttar Pradesh with capital Lucknow, Uttarakhand with capital Dehradun, West Bengal with capital Kolkata. The 8 union territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, having capital Port Blair, Chandigarh with capital Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu with capital Daman, Delhi with capital New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir with capital Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter, Lakshadweep with capital Kavarthi, Puducherry with capital Pondicherry and Ladakh with capital Leh. Some important facts are Rajasthan is the largest state in India in terms of area, which covers 3,42,239 square kilometer of land area, whereas Goa is the smallest state in India in terms of area, which covers 3,702 square kilometer of land area. Jammu and Kashmir is the largest union territory in India in terms of area, which covers 1,25,535 square kilometer of land area, whereas Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India in terms of area, which covers 32.62 square kilometer of land area. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India in terms of population. As per the details from Census 2011, the total population of Uttar Pradesh is 19 crore 98 lakhs 12,341, whereas Sikkim is the smallest state in India in terms of population, and the total population of Sikkim is 6 lakhs 10,577. Delhi, the capital of India, is the largest union territory of India in terms of population. The total population of Delhi is 1 crore 67 lakhs 87,941, whereas Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India in terms of population, and the population is 64,473. For watching the video, thank you all.